Most people think feeling tired is normal, but what if the real problem isn't stress? It's something called sleep debt, and millions of Americans have it right now. And the scary part? Most people don't even realize their body is already paying the price. Think about a typical day. You stay up late watching shows, scrolling your phone, or finishing work. You promise yourself you'll go to bed earlier tomorrow. But tomorrow looks exactly the same. 6 hours of sleep, maybe even less. At first, it doesn't seem like a big deal. You're just a little tired. But your body keeps track of every hour you lose. Scientists call this sleep debt. Sleep debt happens when your body needs more sleep than it actually gets. Most adults need about 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. But in the United States, millions of people regularly sleep far less than that, and those missing hours slowly build up. That's when sleep debt begins affecting your health. The first system it impacts is your brain. During deep sleep, your brain performs an important cleaning process. It removes waste that builds up during the day and resets neural connections. When sleep gets cut short, that process doesn't fully finish. That's why people with sleep debt often feel foggy, distracted, and forgetful. Sleep also affects hormones that control hunger. When you're sleep deprived, your body increases a hormone called ghrelin, which makes you feel hungry. At the same time, it lowers leptin, the hormone that tells your brain you're full. So even if you ate enough food, your brain still wants more, and usually it craves sugar and high-calorie snacks. This is one reason sleep deprivation is strongly linked to weight gain. Sleep debt can also affect your blood sugar control and your immune system. When you don't sleep enough, your body becomes less efficient at managing glucose, and your defenses against illness become weaker. Here's something many people misunderstand. You can't completely erase sleep debt with one long weekend of sleep. Your body prefers consistent sleep every night because sleep isn't wasted time. It's when your brain resets, your metabolism stabilizes, and your body repairs itself. So if you constantly feel tired, foggy, or dependent on caffeine, the problem might not be your schedule. It might simply be sleep debt, and fixing it could completely change how you feel every day. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their health.